Cat grade control takes the next step, and instead of needing to have a dealer install those AccuGrade components, Cat grade control actually installs those grade control components at the factory. So truly, when the machine is delivered to the customer, it is calibrated, it is measured up, it is ready to go to work immediately. We have it on the D8T here at ConExpo and also on a 627H wheel tractor scraper. The cat grade control on those two machines is a GPS cat grade control system. And we actually, on both of those machines, link the cat grade control system to other technologies. So on the wheel tractor scraper, there's load and sequence assist. And cat grade control is actually linked to that, so some of its features and functions work in concert with that system. On the D8T track-type tractor, our cat grade control system is linked to our auto carry function, which helps us make sure we're maximizing blade load and reducing track slip. Now also cat grade control is available and being shown here at ConExpo on our E-Series excavators, our 316E specifically, and on our new M2 motor graders. And on those systems, those cat grade control systems take a little bit of a different approach. Instead of jumping right to a GPS solution where we think it would bring value, we actually did those as more of an entry-level solution for customers who might be just getting involved in grade control. We're utilizing existing components on the machine. Specifically on the motor grader and on the excavator, we're using the displays that are already in the machine as standard to actually have those be the interfaces for our customers with grade control. So object detection, or cat detect, that we're showing here at the show, we're going to have on our 988H on the show floor. And really was born in the mining industry. So we're seeing specifically that it's really, at this point in time, really focused on rolling this new product out to mining and quarry and aggregates. So that's where we see that there's probably going to be the most value for them. So it's installed in some of our larger vehicles, and it's basically a scalable system that uses a standard display, a multifunction display, that then is connected to a series of either just cameras, like our rear vision cameras that we've had in the past, or our new radar, short-range radar and mid-range radars that actually are looking around the machine to make sure that there aren't any blind spots or any objects in the way. And what it does is it can link, and you can have 4 cameras on the machine, multiple radars, and the operator at a simple touch of the button can decide which camera he wants to see, or when the radars are active, as the radar picks up an object, it'll automatically turn the display to show that camera view for that specific radar. We've got the system where it's customer configurable, so they can determine how far or how close those radars are looking in or out. But they can also set up whether they want to shut those radars off after the vehicle has moved a certain amount of distance or reached a certain speed, so that those nuisance alarms don't occur while they're traveling down the haul road and maybe another truck is passing them.